Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Michael and today I want to be talking about how to make money on Instagram. I know I made a lot of videos about this topic like a year or two ago, but obviously a lot of stuff has changed within the past 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. So I'm gonna give you an updated video on like what I think is the best way on how to make money on Instagram right here in 2018, okay? And I'm not really talking about like necessarily like taking your own account, meaning taking like your own brand, your own personality, your own stuff into the game and actually making money that way by selling stuff necessarily. But I'm going to show you a way where you can actually create accounts that have nothing to do with yourself, create them in specific niches and make money that way, okay? So that's what I'm gonna be showing you in this video, so let's get straight into it right now. And by the way, guys, I made a free guide called Insta Glory. It's like a free Instagram course kind of thing. I created that for you guys. So if you're interested in getting that for free, be sure to click the link below in the description to check it out after you watch this video right here. Just wanted to point this out right now, okay? So as I said, the first thing, if you want to make money on Instagram, and if you haven't done it yet, right? The very first thing that you want to do is you want to pick a niche that you are actually passionate about, because if you're not passionate about it, you will lose motivation to post every single day. Because obviously, if you want to make money on Instagram, you have to post every single day, at least 1 or 2 or 3 times every single day if you want to take it seriously, okay? If not, you will lose the actual motivation and you will not keep posting, okay? So the very first thing is pick a niche, right? And the way you do this is you just pick one, right? Because there's different niches on Instagram, right? There's the luxury niche, like for example, luxury travel, luxury cars. Then there's the success niche, the motivational niche, the fitness niche, the health niche, whatever it is, right? So let's say, for example, you're interested in soccer, right? You would want to go out there and create an Instagram account, an Instagram page that evolves all around soccer, right? So we all know these pages, or basketball or something, right? These pages that are 100% dedicated to, let's say, basketball, right? And all they will do is they will post basketball content every single day, right? They will post videos, they will post pictures that are related to only this topic, right? And one very important thing that a lot of people don't realize is they always think they have to create unique content and they have to really go out there and post their own content that they have created in order to do stuff on Instagram, which is not true. Because what you can do is, like, let's say we take this example of the basketball page, right? Let's say you create your basketball page and you don't have content, right? You don't own any content that's related to that. What you can do is you can just go to other Instagram accounts and take their content and repost it, right? And I'm talking about viral content most of the time, right? You want to post viral content to that page in order to make your posts go viral, right? So how do you do this though, right? So now you have a page, you have an Instagram account, you have an Instagram page, you post, you find other people's or other pages' content, you repost it. So how do you go viral right now, right? What you want to do is you want to find the most or the best hashtags in your specific niche, right? And I'm talking about hashtags that get like a little less than 1 million posts per hashtag. That's the maximum you want to go for, because everything else that has like more than 1 million posts, it's kind of hard for a new account to really catch up on that and really outrank these posts on the explore page. So what your main goal with your new Instagram page in order to make money, in order to get traffic, in order to get new followers is you want to get to the Instagram explore page. You want to rank your picture on that page. So, and how this really works is you want to get your pictures to the explore page, but the problem will be that if you have a new page and stuff, because obviously if you want to get the pictures that are shown on the explore page are the pictures or the videos with the most interactions, meaning the most amount of likes, comments, and just engagements, right? And the ratio, the specific ratio out of these elements, likes, comments, and engagements and stuff, that will bring the pictures up to the Explore page, right? So a lot of people ask now, if I start a new page and stuff, how the hell do I get my picture or my video on the Instagram Explore page if I don't get any likes, any traffic, anything yet, right? And the answer for that is real simple, right? You need likes and comments to your picture or to your video. And how you do this is there are specific ways, there's many different ways on how you can get likes and comments and stuff onto your picture. There are specific groups out there where people do engagement stuff, and there's specific, there's also softwares and stuff out there. I show you all of this stuff in my free guide, right? So be sure to click the link in the description, check this out. All of these things in detail is too long for this short YouTube video right here, so be sure to check this stuff out. But it's really easy to do, and it will get you to the Explore page if you do it correctly, right? So once you've done that, once you got your picture and videos to the Explore page, you will see massive amounts of followers coming in, right? You will see massive, if you do this on a daily basis, if you post 5 viral pieces of content every single day, you will see massive amounts of followers coming in. They will go to your page, they will like it, they will DM you, asking for shout outs and all of these things, right? So that's already the next step that we have to take right here. I already mentioned shout outs, right? So the next thing, the third thing that I want to tell you in this video right here is how to actually monetize your account, right? How to really make money off your Instagram account once you got a few followers, right? So when I say a few followers, I mean like around 5,000 to 10,000 followers, because that's already, if you're in a specific niche, that's already a good amount of followers where you can already make some money from them, right? And the first method to make money with your Instagram account is simply selling shoutouts, okay? Because you will realize once you actually start getting a few followers, a few thousand followers, people will automatically try to hit you up and contact you and say, hey, can I get a little promotion from you? Can you post my picture? Can you repost it? Can you tag me in the post and stuff? And that's when you have the chance to charge them money for a shout out, right? So obviously, if you have a small amount of followers, you cannot charge that much for a shout out yet. When you can really charge a lot of money is once you start getting like 100,000 followers, 200,000, right? And these guys with 1 million followers, they can really charge a lot of money charge a lot of money for their shoutouts, right? That you give to other people, right? So what you want to do is you want to do that. That's probably the first way you're going to make money with your Instagram account, right? The next way will be affiliate marketing, right? And I got to admit, in order to do effective affiliate marketing where you make like $100 to like even $1,000 a day, you will need a good amount of followers, right? You will need probably 100,000, 200,000 followers to start making a good amount with affiliate marketing, because obviously on the internet it's all about traffic and conversion, right? If you have 100,000 followers and you post a link in your bio or in your story and stuff, and of course not 100,000 people will click it, right? There will only be like 5%, 10% of these people click it. And then on that page where you promote a product, an affiliate product, then there's also going to be a conversion rate of like 5%, 10%, right? And that's where you make the money, right? So if you promote a product that costs like $100, have 100,000 followers, and 10% click a link to the product, which is like 10,000 people, only like 2,000, if you have a 2% conversion rate on the page, only like 2,000 of these people will actually buy something, okay? Which is a lot, which will make you a lot of money. I mean, if you have an affiliate program and stuff that pays like 20, 30, or 50% commission, you can make a lot of money doing that, okay? But the third method I want to talk about, and that's where you can make the real money, is if you start selling your own products, if you use your own marketing funnels with Instagram. So I gotta admit, this is a little bit more complicated because this involves like email marketing and actual later on paid ads for remarketing and stuff like this. But you can actually build a real business using Instagram, right? And using these niche accounts and all kinds of stuff. Because what a lot of these guys do, especially the ones that build real big niche accounts on Instagram, they start to create their own website with the account name, the Instagram account name and kind of build a whole business around it, right? So let's say, for example, someone has a basketball page. What he's going to do is he's going to take that account and create a website based on that. Then he starts to create products for the site, or he can also promote affiliate products on that site and stuff, right? And that's how he builds a real business around it, right? He also collects emails then, which he can later on use to market to, right? So if he gathers 100,000 emails, these are all emails that you can use later on, like all the time, basically, for the rest of your life to promote your products to, right? So whenever he has a new product, or whenever he has a new affiliate product that he wants to promote, he just sends an email out to like 100,000 people. Bam, he makes a ton of sales, right? And a good way to sell your own products on Instagram is nowadays, I couldn't teach you guys this like 2 years ago because there were no Instagram stories yet, but nowadays with Instagram stories, what you can do is you can create an Instagram story, a video or a post or something, and tell people to DM you if they want the product, right? So for example, let's say you have your own personal brand kind of account, right? Let's say you're like me, or like you have your own personal brand, right? You can post an Instagram story and you can say, oh, I got this course. Let's say you have 2 courses, right? I have this course, blah, blah, blah. And I give it to you guys for free if you DM me, right? And everyone will DM you because people love free stuff. And if they already know your course and they want it, they will be highly engaged and get that freebie from you, right? But now you have the opportunity to talk to them directly via direct message, right? And that's a great opportunity to sell your real course. Let's say you have $1,000 course or something. You can talk to them via direct message and then sell the course that way, right? You wouldn't believe how many people you can actually close just by DMing them, right? That's really how it works, okay? So again, if you want to learn more about this stuff, be sure to click the link in the description for the free guide and stuff. Yeah, this is basically it. Be sure to like and subscribe if you liked the video, and see you in the next one.